Hello guys, welcome to the new video guys. Today in this video I'm explaining about a new website. On inside this sunning site is available in my video description. So guys, check out my description link. When you click my registration link guys, you will get this type of interface. In the interface guys, you have to register account and you can alerts of income in this platform. In this platform, the registration process will be very simple and two type of registration process is available in this platform. First one, email register, second one, phone register. If you want to register email address, then guys you have to fill up your email address, then guys you have to fill up your password, then guys click on sign up option. You successfully register in this platform. If you want to register phone number, then guys you have to select a country code, then guys fill up your phone number, you have to fill up your password, click on sign up option. You successfully register in this platform. So guys, I have already created my account in this platform. So guys, now I'm showing you that how you can alert something up by this platform. So let's start with without any delay. So guys, after successful registration, you can see the this type of interface. In the interface guys, you can see the everything is saying about everything are available about this platform. You can see the minimum amount of deposit 12 USD, minimum amount of withdrawal 3 USD. In this way you can see the VIP royals income, TV links income, referral income, all the details are showing you. Just click on I know option. So guys, if your team invite friends and recharge 10 USD, get a chance to spin, then guys minimum amount of earning 0.302 up to 1000 USD. So guys, in first of all company profile, you can see that everything is showing you about the company details. We can read and know about this platform. In recharge process, just click on recharge option, then guys you will get a wallet address of this platform. Just copy your wallet address and go to your trust wallet. When you go to your trust wallet guys, you have to do just one thing. You have to select your TRC20 USDT. Then guys click on send option, you have to paste a wallet address, then guys you have to write 12 USD amount and click on next option. Then guys you have to back in this platform, click on recharge completed. You have successfully recharge your amount in this platform. So guys, I have already deposited 12 USD amount in this platform. So guys, my VIP 1 is already upgraded. In below guys, we can see that VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and everywhere we can lots of income. In member you can see the how much people earn from the VIP levels, all the details are showing you. In team option guys, you will get a referral link. Just copy and share with your friends. When someone registers the register link, in team guys, we can see that if you have to share referral link to others and told them to register, when they successfully register the registering ability, when a team member deposits some amount, you can earn commission from their deposit. You can see the team site in chat team withdrawal, team first withdrawal. Your team is divided into 3 levels, that is level 1, level 2, level 3. In every level you will get a commission. Level 1 you get 11%, level 2 you get 5%, level 3 you get 2%. If your team recharge is 100 USD, then guys level 1 you get 11 USD, level 2 you get 5 USD, level 3 you get 2 USD. In VIP level guys, we can see that in VIP 1 you have to deposit 12 USD amount, you have to complete one task, daily profit 3 USD, total profit is 300 USD because this platform is working for 100 days. In VIP 2 guys, you have to deposit 82 USD, you have to complete one task, daily profit 7 USD, total profit 700 USD. In this way you can see the VIP 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in every VIP you have to deposit the amount, then guys you have to complete all the daily tasks and you will get the daily income in this platform. So guys, after successfully upgrade of VIP 1, just click on VIP 1, then guys you will get a product in this platform. Just click on to complete option. In this way you have to purchase the daily task and you will get the amount in this platform. In complete set guys, we can see that I have completed my one task and I get 3 USD amount in this platform. So guys, in withdrawal process, just click on withdrawal option, then guys you have to do just one thing. You have to write an amount, that is 3 USD. Then guys you have to go to your trust wallet. When you go to your trust wallet guys, you have to do just one thing. You have to click on receive option, copy your wallet address. After successfully copy your wallet address guys, you have to do just one thing. After successfully copy your wallet address, you have to paste your wallet address, then guys you have to write a password. So guys, after successfully writing your password, just click on confirm option. Withdrawal is successful. After 1 to 2 minutes, the amount is successful. I write my wallet address and I will say that amount is successful. I write my wallet address or not. In final side account guys, we can see that I have to 12 USD amount in withdrawal account. You can see that I have withdrawal 3 USD amount in this platform. If you want to change your login password, secret password, you can change it in this platform. So guys, now I am showing you that I have successfully received that amount in my wallet address or not. So guys, let's check my wallet address. So guys, I have successfully received 3 USD amount in my wallet address. So guys, I explain all the details on this platform. In this platform 24/7 our customer service are there. If you have any doubt, you can contact customer service. They will search for as possible. So guys, have a good day. Bye bye. See you next video.